Today I'm going to go over Mullen Automotive, ticker symbol MULN. According to Fidelity, it was the #1 most actively traded stock across all markets today, so I thought I would take a look at the chart. It ended the day at $1.40. It is up a whopping 45%. Congratulations if you've made some money off of this stock. The 52-week low, 52 cents. The 52-week high, $15.90. Volume much higher than normal with 312.6 million shares traded. We typically see 66.3 million shares traded. It has a market cap of $465.4 million. Now, taking a look at the performance for the week, it is up a whopping 40%. For the month, it is up 6%. And for the year, it is down 87%. I'm only going to go over the technicals. If you want to do a deep dive into the stock, check out this tab right here and click on More Financials for more details. Under the technicals, it's considered a buy as of this moment. And here we are on the chart. I'm going to give you some levels here. It ended again at $1.40. I'm not talking about after hours trading. So to the upside on the 3-minute time frame is $1.48, and to the downside $1.31. And to the upside at 2 standard deviations, should we get there, is $1.65. And I did give that level $1.31 there. Okay, let's take a look at the RSI. We are at about 56 and not close to oversold just yet. That's the line right there. And we're just going sideways. The MACD, let me get this a little bit bigger. Has crossed over to the upside, so that looks good right there, but we need this to start turning up. Let's take a look at this on the daily time frame. And to the upside on the daily time frame is $4.53. The next level is 638. Oops. And at 4 standard deviations, that would be 802. And to the downside, -255, -454, and at -4 standard deviations would be -629. Hopefully we do not go down that far, but notice the channel is heading downward on the daily, but we are right here at the middle of the trend. And the RSI is shooting straight up at 56, hopefully on our way to 70. And the MACD right there also turning up. Let's take a look at this on the weekly time frame. Let me delete that. So another level for you, if we get to the middle of the trend, is 665, and to the downside is roughly, if I can get that steady, -7 cents. And notice a couple of things here. This, if you like to play patterns, this looks like it's forming a W shape there. And going back in time, you can see we hit resistance here. This is 2 standard deviations, a level of resistance. And if we're going up, this is also resistance and resistance. But if we are at the high and we are going down, this becomes support. So when the stock hit here as well, it bounced back up, hit resistance, fell back down, made it to the middle line here, went up, and then obviously back down, and then the pattern repeats itself. So this is 3 standard deviations. It fell apart. What happens when a stock hits resistance? People are taking their money and they are running. They are cashing in. And that happened right here as well. And here, and here, and then right here and here as well. But let me see. From here to this level was 540%. From here to here is 1,234%. And this right here was the COVID crash, right here. And you know, it's obviously very difficult to buy stocks when they've tanked, but if you bought it down here at $1.13, that would have been a phenomenal return. Let's take a look at the RSI. We are at about 37, on our way possibly to 38. Just passing the level of oversold there. And the MACD is also turning up. And notice the trend is going down here though, but hopefully it'll level out and then start to go up this channel. But at this level, at 22 on the RSI, you could have picked this up at roughly 50 cents, 56 cents. And let me take a look at this on the monthly time frame. Let me remove that. Where's my... Let me just get this. Oh, I do want to show you one other thing on the weekly. On stockanalysis.com, the 1-year price target is $23.23. And we are right here. If we get to the middle or the median, that is a 360% return on your money. At 2 standard deviations, that's 827% at $13.21. At 3 standard deviations, that's 1,058% return at $16.49. And at 4 standard deviations, that is $19.85. Of course, you have to get through all of those levels to get to the first target of stockanalysis.com, which is $23.23. That would be a return of 1,531%. And if we make it to that level at $24.15, that is nearly a 1,600% return on your money. Of course, this is a long-term target. We may never get there, or it could take a very long time to do so. Now let's go back to the monthly. Let's delete that. Let me delete that as well so I can see better. All right, to the upside long term here on the monthly, we are talking $110. Very hard to believe that we could even ever go this high when we're only sitting at $1.40 right now. And if we go to the middle of the channel or the median there, that is in the negative 100. Hopefully we don't tank and get to that level. We'll keep our fingers crossed there. And again, if you like to play patterns on the monthly time frame, this looks like it is forming a U-shaped pattern. Let me know if you think that as well, possibly. That's one scenario there. And down here, this thing has been basing for a very long time. Since July 2015, look at this, just going straight across. And I've noticed that when you see deep basing, barcoding, consolidating, there's a huge explosion to the upside on the other end. So that's what I'm anticipating. Let's take a look at the RSI. We are at about 38, going sideways there. And the MACD turning down on the monthly. Not good. We need both of these to turn up to show us that there is a true sign of a reversal. And on the monthly time frame, it does not look like it is there just yet. And I want to show you, I did a Sunday stock watch, and I did this stock as part of my chart, and it was $219 on Sunday, and today is Tuesday, coming back from the holiday, and it exploded to $264.69, up $45 per share, 20% return. That is incredible. And I also did point out Jan 1. I own this stock. Earlier in the day, it ran up to 90 something percent. Unbelievable on some good news. The news was, oh, that was from Mullen. I'll go back to the other one in a second. Mullen, it shot up because the news, solid state polymer battery test results surpassed expectations, shares surge. And then for Jan, let me see if I can get it to show me. Jan 1 sells unit GeoTrack for $13.5 million, and it got some shares from SPYR in the buyout, trade out. All right, and that does it for me. I just wanted to go over for you Mullen and show you that chart. If there is a stock that you want me to take a look at, please let me know. To see my other stock picks and my other charts, check out my other videos. Thank you so much for watching.